Livukile bafundi, lamhlanje sizoba lesifundo sesindebele. Angithi Shona, sizafunda isindebele, bhala phansi ukuthi ndebele. Lamhlanje sizokuba lesifundo sesindebele. Sizoqala ngamabala aphikisanayo. Amabala aphikisanayo. Amabala aphikisanayo. Bryce, uyangizwa Bryce? Uyangizwa Bryce? Siya Bryce, hayi nxa ungizwa kulungile ungaphumi. Lamhlanje sizofunda ngamabala aphikisanayo. Amabala aphikisanayo Shona ngesikhiwa kuthiwa opposites. Angithi ngesikhiwa kuthiwa opposites. Yiyo kuthiwa ngamabala aphikisanayo. Amabala aphikisanayo opposites. Bhala eceleni ukuthi opposites. Ukwenzela ukuthi kusasa ungakhohlwa ukuthi amabala aphikisanayo kuyini. Angithi ngingathi mina Sean kumhlophe. Akuphikisi. Kumhlophe. Nxa sithi kumhlophe Sean into enjani? Ngesikhiwa. Kumhlophe. Kumhlophe ngesikhiwa. Kumhlophe. Iphepha leli limhlophe leli Sean. Limhlophe. Ikhala limhlophe. So nxa ngisithi kumhlophe. Kumhlophe. Michaela, welcome. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Lamhla silesifundo sesindebele siyenza amabala aphikisanayo. Ungabhala phansi Michaela, amabala aphikisanayo. Ukuphikisa ngesikhiwa ngama opposites. Okay? Ukuphikisa ngesikhiwa opposites. Ungakuthola kukhona kuthiwa amabala aphikisanayo. Kuhle ukhumbule ngesikhiwa ukuthi sithi opposites. Angithi ngithe mina into emhlophe is white. Angithi iphepha leli limhlophe. Liyalibona iphepha leli? Liyalibona? Can you see it? This paper color is white. Can you see this color?
Yes.
Yes. Iphepha limhlophe angithi.
Yes.
Sesifuna ukuthi senze ukuthi into emhlophe iphikisa into enjani. Nxa ingekho mhlophe Shona iyabe njani? What is the opposite of white? What is the opposite of white? If something is not white, what is the opposite of white? Yes, Michaela?
Umnyama.
Umnyama. Good, Michaela. Umnyama. Umnyama ngesikhiwa kuyini Shona? Umnyama ngesikhiwa. In English, umnyama. What is something okuthiwa umnyama?
Black.
Yebo Shona? Black. Okay.
Black.
Yes. Kuthi ukuthi lamuhla sizokwenza ama opposites esithi ngesindebele ukuphikisana. Amabala aphikisanayo. Bryce usungizwa? Bryce uyangizwa?
Yebo mbalisi.
Kulungile Bryce. Namuhla sithe senza amabala akulungile. Sithe senza amabala aphikisanayo. Khathesi ngilebala elithi kumanzi. Into emanzi is something wet. Anti kumanzi. Kumanzi. Into emanzi is something wet. Sifuna ukuphikisa. Ama answers angithi kumanzi. I said it's something wet. Okay? Sesifuna ukuphikisa. Nansi impendulo zami. Kubuhlungu, komile, kumhlophe, kubanzi. Yiphi yakhona esiyikhethayo? Yiphi yakhona esiyikhethayo? Ibala lami ngelithi kumanzi. Phikisa sizwe. Kubuhlungu, komile, kumhlophe, kubanzi. Ngubani ongaphikisa lapha Shona? Yes Shona? Komile. Yebo Shona. Komile. Michaela, can you understand? Michaela?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. We said kumanzi means something wet, right? The opposite of wet is dry. So which means komile means something that is dry. Okay. Are we together? Sisonke? Rice? Sisonke? All right. Elinye ibala ngelithi ulambile. UBryce ulambile. Nxa ngathi ulambile, ukulamba in English is to be hungry. What is the opposite of being hungry in English? So, kwenzethi siyekhetha ngesindebele. Yebo Sean? Hungry, opposite of hungry.
Being full.
Sean? Ngicela uphinde Sean.
The opposite of hungry is indebele is usuti.
Yeah, usuthi. Kuhle Sean, hayi Sean ususazi isindebele, ususazi isindebele. Michaela, are we together? Are you understanding? Michaela? Can you hear me? Yes, we said ulambile. Nxa uphikisa sithi usuthi. Angithi? Yeah. Phikisa ke lapha uhlakaniphile. Nansi impendulo zami. Uyisithutha, uyisikholo, ulivila, uluhlanya. Phikisa, uhlakaniphile. Nxa umuntu engahlakaniphanga sithini? Ngubani onganika impendulo? Uhlakaniphile. Nxa sesiphikisa sithini? Sithi uyisithutha, uyisiqholo, ulivila, uluhlanya. Yebo Bryce. Yebo Bryce. uBryce usephumile. Sean, ungaba kwazi ukuthi nxa uphikisa ibala elithi uhlakaniphile, yiphi impendulo eqondileyo? Silo uyisithutha, uyisiqholo, ulivila, uluhlanya. Yiphi laphana Sean? Yebo Sean?
Uluhlanya.
Hayi, ayisikho. Umuntu ohlakaniphileyo Sean ngesikhiwa is someone who is brave. Okay? Brave. Someone who is very clever. Someone who is very, very clever. That is uhlakaniphile. Okay? So now we have uyisithutha, uyisiqholo, ulivila, uluhlanya. Uhlanya is someone who is crazy. Right? Yes, Sean, you want to try again?
I can't pronounce it, but
yes,
I think
try.
it was
Try. Yebo, Sean?
I can't pronounce it, but I think it was the second word that you said.
Uyisiqholo. No, that's not the one, Sean. Siyabonga ukuthi uzamile. Eliyilo uhlakaniphile nxa uphikisa uthi uyisithutha. Uyisithutha. Angithi nxa uphikisa ibala elithi uhlakaniphile uthi uyisithutha. Umuntu engathi uyisithutha usho ukuthi wena kawuhlakaniphanga. Angithi usho ukuthi wena kawuhlakaniphanga nxa esithi uyisithutha. Usungibona kuhle Bryce? Bryce, uyangizwa kuhle? Bryce? Uyangizwa Bryce?
Yebo mbalisi.
Kulungile Bryce. Bryce akusitshela ukuthi nxa uphikisa ibala elithi kunzima. Kunzima. Into enzima ngesikhiwa it's something heavy. Okay? Into enzima ngesikhiwa it's something heavy. Who can give me the opposite of something heavy in English so that we translate it in Ndebele? What is the opposite of something heavy? Yes. What is the opposite of heavy? if something is, this thing is heavy. If it is not heavy, what do we say? It is light, okay? Something, it is light, like as light as a feather. You know the feather, it's very light, right? So kathesi sifuna ukubuza ukuthi nxa into ingekho nzima injani. Nansi impendulo yami, kuhle, kuluhlaza, kulula, kude. And also in Ndebele, into enzima can be something very difficult. And when something we say unzima, we're saying it is very, very difficult. Yes, Sean?
Kulula.
Kulula, yeah. Yipho Sean siyabonga. Kuhle Sean. Khathesi sifuna ukwenza indlubu. Khathesi sifuna ukwenza indlubu ewele ephokweni. Indlubu ewele ephokweni ngesikhiwa sithi the odd one out, okay? Indlubu ewele ephokweni ngesikhiwa sithi the odd one out, okay? Let's say Sean, if I have Sean, I have Usbusiso, I have Michaela. Who is the odd one out? Let's say I have Sean, I have Sbusiso, I have Siyabonga, then I have Michaela. Who is the odd one out? Who is the odd one out? Yes, Michaela?
Me, ma'am.
Yes, Michaela is the odd one out. Why is Michaela the odd one out? Because if you say Michaela is the odd one out, you should tell me why. Yes, Sean?
Because she's the only girl.
She's the only girl. Good. Nxa sesenza Isindebele sithi indlubu ewele ephokweni. So, ngiyalinika amabala usungitshela ukuthi yiphi indlubu ewele ephokweni. Like we say, which one is the odd one out? Okay? All right. So, let me give you my list. I have ubaba, libe lilalela. I have ubaba, umntwana, ubaba, liyakwanisa ukuthi lilalele loba lingabhali. Ubaba, umntwana, indlu. Which one is the odd one out? Ubaba, umntwana, indlu. Yiphi indlubu ewele ephokweni? Yiphi indlubu ewele ephokweni?
Yes, teacher.
Yebo, Bryce.
Yes, teacher. Indlu.
Yebo, Bryce, utheni?
Indlu.
Indlu, yeah. Yindaba indlu kuyiyo ewele ephokweni. Yindaba sisithi yindlu. Kumele ungitshele ukuthi yindaba usithi yindlu. Yebo, Sean?
Because it's not a person.
Yeah, laphana ubaba ngumuntu, umntwana ngumuntu, indlu. Angithi indlu asomuntu. Yikho indlu ewele ephokweni. Angithi asambeni nokunye njalo. Ngile indlebe, amehlo, umlomo, ngibe lesicathulo. Indlebe, amehlo, umlomo, ngibe lesicathulo. Yiphi indlubu ewele ephokweni? Khetha indlubu ewele ephokweni. Ngithe ngile ndlebe, amehlo, umlomo, bese ngisiba lesicathulo. Yiphi indlubu ewele ephokweni? Yebo, nguBryce. Yebo, Bryce.
Isicathulo.
Tulo. Michaela, are you following?
Tulo.
Michaela, can you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. If you cannot understand, please tell me, okay? Isindebele, ngiyazama ukuthi ngichasise esikhiwa to Isindebele, esikhiwa kusiya kuSindebele. Yeah. Ngiyazama ukuthi ngitshintshe kusuka esikhiweni siye eSindebeleni kwenzethu wonke umuntu akuzwe engikutshoyo. Nanko okunye futhi. ngile imota, umgwaqo, ibhasi, isitimela. Imota, which is a car, umgwaqo, a road, ibhasi, a bus, isitimela, a train. Yiphi indlubu ewele ephokweni? Imota, a car, umgwaqo, the road, ibhasi, a bus, isitimela, a train. Yiphi indlubu ewele ephokweni? Yebo Sean?
A road.
A road. A road ngesindebele sithekuyini? Umgwaqo.
Ma'am, can you repeat the sentence?
Okay, siya. Imota, umgwaqo, ibhasi, isitimela. Imota, umgwaqo, ibhasi, isitimela. Imota, umgwaqo, ibhasi, isitimela.
Teacher,
Yebo Sean?
umgwaqo.
Umgwaqo. Ngoba umgwaqo, it is a road, right? Everything else, this is the traffic. We have a car, we have a train, and we also have a bus. Kuhle. Sonke sihamba sonke. Ukhona osalele emuva, Michaela, can you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Good, okay. Umsebenzi engizalithumezela wona ngithi ngiyenzela ukuthi libe sibe sisenza sonke ukwenzethi nxa usuphendula wedwa ungalahleki. Angithi ye. Nanko okunye okokucina, iyembe, ngile iyembe, nansi iyembe. Angithi ingwane, a hat, iyembe, a shirt, iyembe, the shirt, ingwane, a hat, isigqoko, a dress, ingubo, a blanket. Yiphi indlubu ewele ephokweni? Iyembe, ingwane, isigqoko, ingubo. Yiphi indlubu ewele ephokweni? Yebo Sean?
Ingubo.
Ingubo. Ngoba ingubo ngesikhiwa sithi yini? Yi-blanket. Angithi yebo. Bese senza okokucina, ngile imbiza kuyini ngesikhiwa? Mbani ongantshela? Imbiza ngesikhiwa kuyini? Imbiza ngesikhiwa, imbiza. Yebo Sean?
Can I try? I don't know if it's correct.
Okay.
A pot.
A pot. Good, Sean. Correct. Imbiza, a pot. Umganu, a plate. Umganu, a plate. Isichwala, sadza. Upini. Upini, what we use to make the sadza. Yiphi indlubu ewele ephokweni? Imbiza, umganu, isichwala, upini.
Ma'am, can you repeat the sentence?
Michaela?
Sitrala.
Isichwala, kuhle Michaela. Yebo, Michaela uyazama kakhulu, yikho kuhle. Isichwala, lokho okunye siyakusebenzisa ukupheka, ngithi. Kodwa isichwala yikudla, ngithi. Siyakubona sonke. Ngakho-ke umsebenzi lo ungawuthola kuthiwe khetha indlubu ewele ephokweni. Ukhumbule ukuthi indlubu ewele ephokweni ngesikhiwa is odd one out, right? Nxa thina sisithi lapha silo Sean, silo Siya, silo Michaela. UMichaela uyindlubu ewele ephokweni ngoba nguye singathi silo Sean, sibe lo Siya, sibe lo Michaela. UMichaela uba yiyo indlubu ewele ephokweni ngoba nguye yedwa oyinkazana. Angithi angithi kumbe singaba lamankazana kube lo Mrs Mlotshwa, kube lo Michaela, kube lo Chantel, bese kusuka lo Sean. USean uba yindlubu ewele ephokweni ngoba uyabe esenguye yedwa umfana. Angithi lingakhohlwa ukuphikisa ngesikhiwa opposites. angithi ngizathumeza umsebenzi, ngiyathemba ukuthi lizasebenzisa khonokho kade sikwenza ngithi ukuthi uphendule umbuzo. Bryce, ungulalela ngithi? Uzwisisile Bryce?
Yebo mbalisi.
Kuhle, ngibonile
Yebo mbalisi.
ngoba kade ungena uphuma kodwa wenelisile ukuthi ulalele lokuthi sixoxa ngithi ngizalinika ithuba lokuthi sivalelisane sithi goodbye before sibonana kusasa.
Bye teacher.
Bye Sean. Bye Miss.
Bye.
Bye bye Bryce. Sizobonana njalo kusasa ngithi. Ngale umsebenzi angithi Bye guys.
Bye.